What's up, everyone? Let's talk about the Hearth book. This is your electromagnetic field around your body. You have a north and south pole separated by a plane of inertia. This Earth is the plane of inertia, planet Earth, plane of inertia. It's basically what separates the north and south pole. It's called the block wall. It's also called the accretion disk, the inertial plane. The inner volume of every atom is magnetodielectricity, which is magnetism and dielectricity. Magnetism, the creator of space, it creates magnitude, it's motion. Mag means to move in Sanskrit. Dielectricity is not regular electricity, it's invisible, and it's the eraser of space. It's called counter space. It's the area where the attracting force goes to. What's attracting? It's energy being sucked back into the center. So it goes out of the top into the bottom, to the center, from the center out the bottom, into the top, back to the center. This is the zero pressure zone, and from there you get high pressure, which is the repelling force out of the top and bottom. The energy swirls out of the top into the bottom and swirls out of the bottom into the top. So when you look at your head from the top, you have a cowlick, and that's the spiral. This is the bottom of a pine cone. It's like this, bottom of a pine cone, or the face of a sunflower. That's just a succulent. But basically, there's a cowlick at the top of your head, if you can see it. So this is the basics of magnetism, and it has to do with spirituality. What's your spirit? It's the spiraling force around you. Whether you're in high spirits, which is love and joy, then you have a strong magnanimous field. But if you're in low spirits and you're angry or sad or guilty, shameful, desiring, then you have a weak magnetic field. You want to create an intensified aura, magnanimous field, and you become one with the earth. And the whole earth's field is your field. So now you become all-knowing and all-aware, peak awareness, because anything that's in your field, you don't have to see with your eyes. You can feel with your field, okay? Basically, we become one, and it's the collective consciousness, and this is what the government doesn't want. They don't want us to connect naturally. They want us to connect artificially with Neuralink. Think about Elon Musk. So we're all to be integrated in the near future because we've been separated. The Tower of Babel, where all humans come together to build a tower to get to heaven, but then God messed up the tower and separated the languages, and now we have 7 continents. It should be one continent. Instead of 7 oceans, there should be one ocean. It's Atlantis, island of the Atlas, and it's the Atlantic Ocean. It's just you. All human beings are actually one soul, and you and the earth are one. The universe is one verse, it's one song, it's one resonance, one heartbeat. Thanks, everyone. Go buy the Hearth book.